I was just recording a video. That's how I feel today.
Mom didn't even. It's okay. Like, I like how. Fuck.
Tell me a sound that's better than this.
I have not been playing much Fortnite lately, or much of any game for that matter. I'm so excited.
Here's my interpretation of ASMR mouth sounds. Okay.
Pero parece que te conoce. Ahí va para vos, Belén. Para toda la gente que nos banca.
Give me a second. It's not a very good burp.
Vizinhos dele.
Vou precisar voltar de novo. Posso só...
Volta, vai.
Eu não vou voltar daquele jeito. Peraí que eu tenho que puxar.
Vai, então. Receba essa multa! E tá no vídeo.
Pode cortar, porque eu sou princesa, eu não faço esse tipo de coisa, entendeu?
Ele vem.
She's been married to my dad. That was her first man, so...
And I can, oh,
You like. Yes.
Like, I'd have to really push my stomach around. Oh, Lord.
Und ich weiß nicht, wie cringe es wird.
I was doing Jennifer Coolidge. I was going...
Excuse me. Burp.
Go away from my window, leave at your own chosen speed. I'm not the one you want, babe. I'm not the one you need. You say you're looking for someone